Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you after installing Audacity when you try to edit audio from video but the audio file not supported from the video, then how can you fix the problem. So I'm gonna show you, like, open it. Okay, so this is not supported. So how can you fix the problem? So for that, at first you have to ensure that your laptop or PC has internet connection. Okay, then you have to go edit option, then preferences. You can see FFmpeg library locate and FFmpeg library download, then click on download. Okay, now you can see please installing FFmpeg on the Audacity supported. So I'm gonna click on installing FFmpeg. Okay, so from here from here you can see recommended installer. So download the FFmpeg installer from this site. I'm going to click on it. Okay, now you have to download FFmpeg file. From here you have to ensure that which Windows you are using, 64-bit or 32-bit. So I'm using 64-bit, that's why I'm clicking on 64-bit mpeg file Windows. Okay, click on OK. So yeah, this is downloading from here. Click on open. Yeah, so click on accept the agreement. Okay, then click on next. You can change your browse file. I'm gonna take a default, so click on next, click on install. Yeah, install completed. Now click on locate. You can click on locate. So Audacity has automatically detected valid FFmpeg libraries. Do you still want to locate them manually? No. Click on no. Okay, click on OK. Yeah, now I'm gonna try it again. Open. Okay, open. So yeah, MP4 file supported in Audacity. So following my instruction, you can easily use audio from video in Audacity and you can easily edit it. So thank you for watching my videos. Thank you everyone.